The AI revolution isn't just about software, it's also an infrastructure build-out, a global race to construct the data centers that AI runs on. And the power consumption of each data center is colossal. 5 centers are each projected to consume more energy per day than the entire city of San Francisco by the end of 2026. OpenAI alone has talked about reaching 30 gigawatts of capacity by 2030, about 6% of the power consumption of the entire United States today. Building a new data center is a huge investment in the tens of billions of dollars, so companies sometimes choose to rent capacity from specialized AI compute operators. These pure AI compute companies have earned the category name neocloud. Multiple sources project that the market for renting compute will grow from about $35 billion a year today to over $180 billion by the end of the decade. But there's no point in building a data center if you don't have electricity available to power it. Energized capacity, a physically installed and legally approved hookup to high-voltage utility lines that can immediately deliver electricity, has become the binding constraint of the whole build-out. This electrical bottleneck brings in a new category of player. Power-rich companies, many of them former cryptocurrency miners, are converting their sites to AI, taking AI from roughly 30% of their revenue today towards 70% by the end of 2026. The Reserve AI Capacity and Neocloud DTF, ticker neocloud, brings together both layers of AI compute, the operators who rent out the GPUs and the power-rich sites that supply the power and buildings they run on. The more compute AI companies demand, the more revenue these companies are expected to receive. A DTF is a Decentralized Token Fund. Every DTF token is directly redeemable on-chain for the underlying tokens it represents. This DTF bundles Ondo Global Markets tokenized stocks. For every Ondo token, there's an actual share of that stock sitting in a regulated US brokerage account. Holders always have the option to withdraw the underlying tokens from the DTF smart contract, and in the case of Ondo stock DTFs, redeem them for cash with Ondo. This redemption path is what gives the DTF its value, but for convenience, most people just buy and sell DTF tokens with stablecoins like USDT. You can buy and sell stock-based DTFs on-chain on Reserve at app.reserve.org or on third-party portals like 1inch and PancakeSwap, as long as you're in a qualifying jurisdiction. This DTF inherits Ondo's geographic rules. There are 3 categories of jurisdiction. First, prohibited. If you're in the US, including its territories, or in any of the jurisdictions shown on the map, you cannot purchase or redeem this product. Second, restricted. If you're in any of these countries, you can buy, but only after onboarding through a verification flow that confirms you meet your local regulator's standard for sophisticated or accredited investors. Third, self-service. Everywhere else, you can just connect your wallet and purchase. You take responsibility for following your country's local laws and regulations. By the way, Reserve is working with the SEC and the Tokenized Asset Coalition to bring publicly accessible tokenized securities to the US. We envision regulated tokenized assets of all kinds integrated throughout DeFi and usable in DTFs worldwide, using an open standard we created called the Global Access Protocol. It introduces the lightest possible form of KYC to satisfy regulatory needs, letting users KYC once to access tokens across issuers and countries. Follow us on X at Reserve Protocol for more on that as things progress. Reserve got started in 2018 with backing from Sam Altman and Peter Thiel. Our end goal is to build DTFs that retain their purchasing power no matter what plays out in the world. Whether we experience World War III, the decline of the United States and the US dollar, or runaway economic growth and a true technological singularity. To get there, we built the blockchain version of Vanguard, a platform for creating decentralized token funds of all kinds. We started with crypto baskets, and now we support equities. And as more assets come on-chain, the breadth of what we can offer will keep growing. We've spent millions of dollars on code audits to keep your funds safe in Reserve smart contracts. But, as with most DeFi applications, you use the software at your own risk. The Reserve AI Capacity and Neocloud DTF gives you direct exposure to a weighted basket of public US-listed companies providing compute, with no minimum or maximum purchase, making it a simple way to own the whole category. Keep in mind that nothing in this video is investment advice. We are not a regulated financial intermediary, and it's up to you to decide whether to purchase any of the assets offered on the Reserve platform, all of which may lose value. Welcome to the world of DTFs on Reserve. See you on chain.